English to Malay future. I will have equals.
Saya akan ada.
Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey you, let's have fun mastering the future tense today. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Quick heads up. You'll nail the English to Malay future. We'll have for all pronouns, with rhythm, jokes, and a mini quiz. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say the future will have in Malay for every person, fast and confident. I will have.
Saya akan ada.
You will have.
Kamu akan ada.
He will have.
Dia akan ada.
She will have.
Dia akan ada.
It will have.
Akan mempunyai.
Also as a full phrase.
Ia akan mempunyai.
Closing parenthesis. We will have.
Kita akan ada.
They will have.
Mereka akan ada.
Pro tip. Akan marks the future. Ada is to have, there is. Mempunyai is to have, own, in more formal contexts. Laugh and learn. Mini dialogue. Listen and repeat. Silly context makes it stick. A. Tomorrow, can you help? B. Yes, I will have time.
Saya akan ada.
Masa. A. Don't worry, you will have a seat.
Kamu akan ada.
Tempat duduk. A. By noon, he will have a break.
Dia akan ada.
Rehat. A. At 5, she will have a meeting.
Dia akan ada.
Mesuarat. A. After the update, it will have new features.
Akan mempunyai.
Siri Baharu. A. If we hurry, we will have coffee time.
Kita akan ada.
Masa kopi. A. By Friday, they will have the tickets.
Mereka akan ada.
Ticket. Beat drill. Clap or tap the beat and echo me right after. Echo. I will have.
Saya akan ada.
Echo. You will have.
Kamu akan ada.
Echo. He will have.
Dia akan ada.
Echo. She will have.
Dia akan ada.
Echo. It will have.
Akan mempunyai.
Echo. We will have.
Kita akan ada.
Echo. They will have.
Mereka akan ada.
Culture tip. Tiny tip to sound natural in Malay. Use.
Ada.
For everyday, have, or, there is, she will have time.
Dia akan ada.
Masa. Use.
Mempunyai.
In more formal or written contexts or when emphasizing possession, the device will have security features.
Ia akan mempunyai.
Siri keselamatan. Also.
Hira.
Equals inclusive. So, we will have a meeting.
Kita akan ada.
Mesuarat. Lightning quiz. Quick quiz. Shout the answer before I do. Q. English. Malay. I will have. A.
Saya akan ada.
Q. English. Malay. You will have. A.
Kamu akan ada.
Q. English. Malay. He will have. A.
Dia akan ada.
Q. English. Malay. She will have. A.
Dia akan ada.
Q. English. Malay. It will have formal ownership. A.
Akan mempunyai.
Or.
Ia akan mempunyai.
Closing parenthesis dot. Q. English. Malay. We will have. A.
Kita akan ada.
Q. English. Malay. They will have. A.
Mereka akan ada.
Your turn. Speak up. Create your own lines. You've got this. Say a plan for tomorrow using each. I, you, he, she, it, we, they will have. Example prompts. Tomorrow, I will have time.
Saya akan ada.
Masa. Now make it funny. After the update, it will have laser eyes.
Akan mempunyai.
Mata laser. Finish these. Next week, we will have. Quote.
Kita akan ada.
By Friday, they will have. Quote.
Mereka akan ada.
Goodbye and next steps. Great job today. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. We'll have with.
Saya akan ada. Kamu akan ada. Dia akan ada.
Akan mempunyai.
Kita akan ada.
And.
Mereka akan ada.
For more lessons, freebies, and challenges, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.